Eh.
This is a makeover of the Manfred Bikes repair. So, okay. My previous car model with the servicing repair for Manfred Bikes repair was previously this. As upon the reason why it's barely on the ground, it's pretty much old, rusted and so on. So I decided it needs its reward. It has been doing its work and so on. Now couldn't go the whole way to do the whole repair and so on, so managed to do the new body, which is pretty much in a good condition, rust free. So while doing so, what I decided is how to make sure rust is free. Painting below the whole thing, you can see it's like Gravitex, so anti-rust. So yeah, this is the procedure. You just remove the old chassis from the old car, slide it in towards the new body, which is ideally the same thing. And yeah, this is we're just remaining with this is an undercoat of the paint. We'll later on do the final paint once we've done with the mechanical, and yeah, we'll have a whole new look of a makeover of Manfred's bike repair. Wow. Hata alikuwa nataka surprise. Shange. Kweli ni ile body.
Sala. Unasukuma gari mzima peke yako? Kwani wewe unakula nini?
Hii ni nusu iko juu.
Lakini nusu for wheel.
Hapa nimepikia ugali na Hussein bwana. Ugali nyingine kubwa sana.
Angalia ile block nyingine solo.
Angalia. Solo.
So, ile mud flap, wacha nitoe ile mud flap.
Ingine iko sawa. Twende. Niko na mawe hapa.
Hizi nini unafanya?
This is mounting, is a body bushing, because they're supposed to be 12, so I'm arranging to make sure the 12, and I had done modifications to raise the car, so I had to do some 2 inches bushing, so I need to have a longer bolts to accommodate the bigger tire.
Wow.